Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 5 minutes, so let's see what happens. All right, the markets are open, and I missed what I wanted to do. I don't know, maybe you can hear it, but this thing's looking like it's going to get halted anyways. Yeah, so here comes a trade halt. These are going to shut down here in just a second. So there it is, halted there. My plan was to buy the break at 12. In fact, I alerted everything in the chat room, but happened too fast. And I don't know if you can pick it up, but our lawn people are here right now mowing. And as I was going to comment about that right at the beginning, it broke. So things just didn't play out, but the market is now officially open, so let's see what else I can find. MRNA looking interesting for a potential short here. Currently bouncing. Overall context definitely bearish though. So if this, we'll see if this thing can work its way upwards a little bit more and then give me, there we go. What is that low? Around 78. So I'm liking this candle here. We'll let this one play out. Big bounce right now. We'll see what it wants to do. Still working its way up. Quite impressive. Looking for some sort of sign of weakness, and I haven't seen anything as of right now. Still working its way up. All right, I'm short here at 79.08. I think this thing is getting ready to roll over. If not, I'll risk right around $300. But let's see if this thing does want to roll over here. As of right now, though, showing some strength. So stop loss up at 80.16, and things are not looking good right now. But I'm also not going to wave the white flag quite yet. So again, I am in at 79.08. Can it get down through 79? That is the question. Here come the weed whackers. So if you hear stuff, everything's okay. Okay, going for a break of 79. There we go. Can we get down to 78.50 is what I'm curious about here. Those are the weed whackers. Figures come right at the point where it starts to go in my favor. Again, can we get the move down to 78.51 area? There we go. So I have 100 shares left now, and at this point it's just, let me actually get this in real quick. Not a matter of if I make money, but how much money am I going to make? And that's where we want to be as traders. So I have a stop up there at 78.77. Trying to give this some wiggle room. But again, I'm making money regardless on this one. It's just a matter of how much money am I going to make. So if this thing wants to continue to roll over, then I will be in a very good spot. And we'll see what sort of money these last 100 shares want to make me. So if I see 78 on the offer, okay, that's close enough now. So I'm moving my stop loss down. So if this goes down below 78, I will move my stop loss down again. But this needs to get down below 78. Nope, took me out. So $175, not bad at all for just 300 shares on the trade. And the key dynamic there to keep in mind is I still had 100 shares left. So had this thing continued to roll over, that 100 shares could have, raised that amount a whole lot more. But overall, nice opening trade. All right, what I'm gonna do here is get short at 77. Stop at 77.51, and can I be honest? I just want to be kind of done for the day. So this was going to be my last trade, and I'm either going to be losing right around $50-ish, or it's going to go in my favor. And right now it seems to be going in my favor. So risking right around $50. So if this thing can get a breakdown through 50, which it can, kind of. So 50 shares left now. So once again, this is going to be a winning trade. Get my stop loss up there at 77.01. It's just a matter of how big of a winning trade is it going to be. And if I can see 50s here on the offer, I will bring down my stop loss. Now, am I making a lot on this one? No, I'm not. But my risk was very, very small because, like I said, I was risking right around $50. And I want to move on with my day. But like I said, we'll see if this thing wants to play ball. There we go. I'll bring down my stop some more now. And if this thing can get down below 76, I will bring down my stop loss once again. Like I said, great spot to be in. Totally stress-free. It's not if I make money, but how much money am I going to make? And as traders, this is a spot you need to get yourself in. Where the only thing you're stressing about, where the only thing that you're not quite sure about is how much money you're going to make. I mean, that's a really, really ideal situation to be in. So this thing's either going to bottom out here and potentially bounce and I'll just walk away, or if this thing wants to keep on bleeding, then I'm making more money. And I'm out there. So there we are. And it is 9:49. So we were 20 minutes in and I'm up over $200. Is that a huge amount? No, but in my mind, trading's not about the money per se. It's about kind of the lifestyle. And what do I mean by the lifestyle? What I mean by that is I'm going to go on with my day. I am happy. I just made $200 in 20 minutes. $200 in 20 minutes. Think about that. That's $100 every 10 minutes. I'll take it. And now I'm going to go hang out with my kids for a little bit. Maybe we'll make fun of each other. They'll give me a hard time. I'll give them a hard time. And I'm going to move on with my day. And that's, to me, that's the true power of trading. Not fancy cars, not yachts, not flying in private jets. Not all the typical social media stuff. But it's just the power and freedom to control your time. And that's what I want to do. Now, granted, I also believe in multiple streams of income. And this is why I believe you should be building multiple streams of income, because it's not like I do this all the time, but I can do it because I've put in and I've structured multiple streams of income that, you can do too, right? You got to just get out there and have a plan, put that into place. But when you do that, then yeah, you can just decide, I want to be done for the day after only 20 minutes. But still, like I said, to keep things in perspective, I'm sitting here in my robe and I just made $200 in 20 minutes. So I'm happy with that. So I'm going to just wrap it up. And I guess the other little learning lesson here is you can make good money with small amount of share sizes. I mean, usually I do 500 shares, but I never did 500 today. I did 300 shares on that first trade. And the next trade you saw where I was risking right around $50. And I used 100 shares on that. And, that worked out very, very well. So overall, and like I said, that thing, I thought it had a chance. I thought it was really going to keep on bleeding, but you can see here it's bouncing. But regardless, I'm happy with that. And it is what it is. Now, if you enjoy these live trade videos, a couple of quick requests on my part. First off, the easy way to communicate, hey, Clay, please keep making these. Hit that like button. Very streamlined way to communicate that to me. If you have any questions or comments, maybe suggestions for other types of videos, please, by all means, leave those in the comment section. I do read all comments, and if you've ever looked at any of my other trade videos, you know that I reply to all comments. So leave me a comment, and I will read it, and I will reply. And then finally, check out the channel as a whole. There's lots of other live trade videos, and there's a good variety. So check out the channel, and hopefully you decide to hit that subscribe button. But thanks for hanging out. And yeah, remember, it's not about the money in the sense of fancy cars and Rolex watches and private jets. That's not what it's about. It's about being able to control your time and being able to do what you want to do. And I just don't feel like sitting here in front of my computer any longer. So I'm out of here. And yeah, if I can motivate you to focus on multiple streams of income, one of those, of course, ideally being trading, then yeah, get out there and do it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.